Black Friday sale is right now, and I'm going to share the best deals on web hosting and WordPress plugins where you can get up to 95% off. I will recommend only those web hosting companies that I have used and offer faster loading time. So let's get started. So I have created a special Black Friday page where I have added all the deals in one page. So you just visit digirockstar.com and then click on view deal button above. And I have also given this link in the video description as well. So let's start the video with number 1, which is A2 hosting. If you are looking for an affordable web hosting provider with faster customer support, then you can go with A2 hosting. You will get up to 82% off during this Black Friday week. So all you have to do is to click on this view deal button, which will take you to the Black Friday sales page. So from here you can choose any plan as per your requirement. So I'm going to choose startup shared, which will cost me around $1.99 per month. So let's click on save now. So if you already have a registered domain name, then that you can enter here, or you can transfer your domain to A2 hosting, or you can register a new domain. So I will use my domain name, which is digirockstar.com. So now click on use this domain. So as you can see, the Black Friday promo code has been applied. So the price is now $71.64, but this is for 36 months. So but if we choose 12 months or 24 months, then it will cost you more. So let's choose 36 months, and then you can choose your server location. Let's choose Singapore, and if you need a dedicated IP, then you can check this box and then click on continue to complete your purchase. Number 2, Cloudways. Cloudways offer VPS hosting from top VPS providers like DigitalOcean, Linode, Volta, AWS and Google Cloud with an easy to use control panel. Personally, I am also using Cloudways for hosting all of my websites. So in this Black Friday sale, Cloudways is offering 40% off for 4 months. So to activate this deal, just click on this view deal button, which will take you to cloudways.com, and now click on get started free. Now sign up with Cloudways by entering all these details, and under got a promo code, enter BFCM2021. I will paste this promo code in the video description. And after filling up all these details, just click on I agree to the Cloudways terms of service and privacy policy, and then click on start free. After that, set up your server by choosing your VPS provider. And you can also check out my detailed review on Cloudways hosting. The link will be in the description below, and you can also check out my other video on a quick comparison between Cloudways versus SiteGround. Again, the link will be in the description below. Number 3, WPX hosting. WPX hosting is another top-notch managed WordPress hosting provider that offer faster loading time with 30 seconds average customer response time, which is really great. So in this Black Friday sale, WPX is offering 3 months free hosting on all the 3 plans when choosing yearly. But when we choose monthly, then we have to pay $2 for the first 2 months. So you can either choose monthly or yearly as per your requirement and complete your purchase. Number 4, Kinsta. Kinsta is another popular WordPress hosting provider known for their speed and faster customer support. So Kinsta is offering 2 months free hosting when paying yearly. To activate this offer, just click on this button, visit Kinsta button to activate this offer. Number 5, GreenGeeks hosting. So among all these web hosting companies, GreenGeeks is the most affordable one, where you will get up to 75% off during this Black Friday sale. So I like GreenGeeks because they are using renewable energy to power their data center. So the sale will go live on 27th of November. So once this sale goes live, just click on this view deal button to activate this offer. So now let's move on to the plugin section. So number 6 is Mulcare. Mulcare is one of the best security plugins that protect your site from hackers. So if your site has any malware, then this plugin will clean it with just one click. So at the time of recording this video, Malcare hasn't announced their Black Friday offer. So once they announce their Black Friday offer, then I will update this post. Number 7. Azure Dropship. Azure Dropship is a popular plugin that helps you to create your own dropshipping business. So the best part of this plugin is you have to pay only once. So during this Black Friday sale, Azure Dropship is offering 40% off on Azure Dropship plugin, and on premium store they are offering 30% off. For custom store 25%, for add-ons 40%, and for themes 35%. So to activate this offer, just click on this view deal button and don't forget to use this promo code in the checkout page. Number 8. Crips AI. Crips AI is an AI powered background noise cancellation app for Mac and Windows. So it removes background noise in real time and works perfectly with all the video conferencing app like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, etc. So at the time of recording this video, Crips hasn't announced their Black Friday deal. So once they announce their Black Friday deal, I will update this post. But still you can try their free version by clicking on this view deal button, where you will get 240 minutes per week. Number 9. Slazr. Slazr is an AI powered tool that removes or replaces the background from any image automatically in just a few seconds. So you can also add a custom color or background to your cutout image. So at the time of recording this video, Slazr hasn't announced their Black Friday offer. So once they announce their Black Friday offer, then I will update this post. Number 10. NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the top VPNs in the market, known for their great privacy and high-speed server. So you will get up to 72% off during this Black Friday week. So to activate this deal, just click on View Deal button, which will take you to NordVPN site. So as you can see, you will save up to 72% off during this Black Friday week. So just scroll down below and here you can choose your plan. As you can see, for 2 years plan, it will cost you around $3.29 per month. For 1 year, it will cost $4.92 per month. So just choose your plan as per your need and then complete your purchase. Number 11. GetResponse, which is an email marketing tool where you will get up to 40% off. So to activate this offer, just click on this view deal button. Okay, to number 12, the last one is TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a popular browser extension that helps you to manage, optimize and grow your YouTube channel. So at the time of recording this video, TubeBuddy hasn't announced their Black Friday deal. So once they announce their Black Friday deal, then I will update this post. You can still try out their free version. So that's it in this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.